Hello, my name is Jason. I'm talking on behalf of expertvillage.com. After vacuuming a vehicle, the next step is to shampoo the carpets. I have some of my favorite products over here that I like to use. I use other products that just doesn't work good as these. First, we got the all-purpose cleaner. It works very well on removing grease. Then if you have very tough spots on the carpet that you can't remove, use the carpet stain and spot lifter. It comes in a blue can. You could buy it from AutoZone, O'Reilly, any parts store. Then we also have the oxy cleaner. Then last of all, we got the scrubbing bubble cleaner. You use all this, you're gonna have the perfect carpet. Now, the next question is, what do you use to remove all the dirt particles? How you scrub them off? A lot of people like to use brushes. I personally don't like to use brushes because when you do that, it basically, the dirt will come up from underneath the carpet. What you want to do, you want to remove the dirt from the surface. So my personal thing to use is just a handy rack. What you do, you have a little bucket, you put water in there and a little bit of dishwasher liquid, and you simply wet the cloth and you take all the water out and you spray one of these products on the carpet. You let it sit there for about maybe 15 or 20 seconds for it to absorb, get the dirt particles out, and what you simply do is go over it with a rag. You want to do that about 2 or 3 times, and with different, if you see one of these products is not removing it, you want to go to a little bit stronger product, maybe something like this, the carpet stain lifter. That's what you want to do. It's a little bit stronger, got more intense chemicals in it.